Okay, let's take a look at finding the sum of data value squared, x squareds, in GeoGebra. I'm going to come here, I'm going to type x, put my x values here, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those numbers I'm going to work with. I'm going to give this one a label, so I'll call it x squared. Now, this is a little bit tricky here. I'm going to type equals a2 times a2. The equals indicates that it's a formula, and a2 should refer to the cell a2, which has the value 1 in it, and the asterisk is multiplication, and a2 is again 1, so that should be 1 times 1, or 1. Now if I press enter on this, it works this time. Before, it did not work for me. It just left it as equals a2 times a2. And that was frustrating because I was so used to Google Sheets and Excel. What I had to do to get it to work first time, and I don't know what triggered it to then work from here on, but I did an equals. I clicked over here in A2, and then I did a times, and then I clicked over here in A2 again. And the only thing I saw different is that it put spaces between the items, and then if I pressed enter, it gives me that. Now I am curious if I would come over here to a column I haven't really worked with. If I did equals A2 times A2. I did there. I have no clue why I had trouble the first time. Now if I click this now, this is cell B2. You see in the bottom right hand corner is a little square. If I put my mouse with a square, it becomes a black plus, and if I click and hold down my left mouse button and drag down, it'll adjust it based upon whatever row I'm in. 9 times 9 is 81, 8 times 8 is 64, and so forth. Now I'm going to come down below here. This is what I want for my sum. And I could type in a formula, or GeoGebra allows you to highlight your data. So I click in B2, hold down my left mouse button, drag down to B11, click my sigma, and then I choose sum. And that'll give me my sum of my x squareds. And that's how you do that in GeoGebra. GeoGebra, if I'm saying that right.